Hello, welcome to Let's Cook at Home with your artificial artist, Lyric Jones. In this video, I'm going to make a quick side of cucumber salad. So what you'll need is some extra virgin olive oil, salt of your choice, pepper of your choice. I have cilantro, basil, green onions, and of course a cucumber and a lime. Let's do it. Alright, so I have washed my cilantro, I peeled my cucumber, I washed my basil, I rolled my lime, washed my onions, and I have my vegetable peeler here, or cutter. Now you don't have to use this, you can cut your cucumbers however you always cut. But personally, for this particular salad, I like the cucumber slices really thin. Okay, you can see alright, take this out, and yeah, I'm going to make a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of it. I'll have a link to this in the description box, and going forward, if you all check the description box, I'm starting to put the items that you see in the videos that I use. I'm putting them there, so if you need it or you want to get it, I'll have a link for it in the description box. This is very simple and very easy. Even if you don't have this, it's still simple and very easy. This is just another utensil that I'll have to clean. But, like I said, I like for it to look like this. Okay, so we're going to take this, put it to the side. And we'll put this behind. Now what we'll do, take my lime, and we're going to zest lime in here. I just hate to waste a lime. I like to use every bit of it. And the flavor of the lime, a lot of it is in the zest. Okay, oh, and it smells so good. Okay, then we're going to get out a quick stir. We want to make sure that everything is well seasoned. This is a very simple side dish. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my lime. And squeeze half. Okay. Give that a quick stir. Alright, now we're going to add in our cilantro. Now I use stems and all. Now some people may cut their stems, but I don't. I wash it and then I cut them up and add them into whatever it is that I'm using. Okay, and then I'm going to pile it up. And then cut. It doesn't have to be neat or fancy. You just want it cut. Okay, and we're going to add in, and we're going to put in this few leaves of basil. We're going to roll them up and give them a rough cut. Okay, now we're going to take some onion. Do two. Okay, now we're going to add in our black pepper. And you know what? I think I'm going to add in a little cayenne as well. Yeah. Okay. We will add in some Himalayan salt. Okay. And some olive oil. Now, you can add in vinegar if you like. I'm not going to add vinegar into this one because I'm going to add in ranch dressing once I put it on my plate. I'm not going to mix it in with the salad. I'm just going to put it, once I put it on my plate, I'm going to put some ranch on top of it. And that's it, baby. There it is. There it is. Now, because it's long like this, what I'll do is I'll take my scissors and just, again, give it a little rough cut. Just make it a little bit easier to pick up when you eat. Okay? And that's it. That's it. This is my quick side salad. I got more of a mess here than anything, but this is it. And you can have this alongside your, I'm going to have pasta today. I'm going to cook some pasta. And I want this alongside of it. Okay? That's it. Let me give it a little taste, make sure I got everything in there. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I like it. This is good. Throw the rest of this in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Share it. Repost it. I don't mind. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.